Hi and welcome. I'm Caesar.
I'm Lydia.
And today we're going to introduce you to our A-Ipower inverter generator. The difference between camping and living.
We're going to show you how it's been working for us.
So one of the greatest and even simplest features that it has to offer is the carrying handle on top. It carries it just like a briefcase, easy to tote. Now with our fuel gauge window, it's easy to tell whether it's full or empty. And with the convenient 1 gallon capacity, there's no need to carry around those big bulky 5-gallon gas tanks. So the good thing about the A-Ipower company is they send you the adapter that you'll need for the 30 amp hookup on your RV. Very handy.
Now that you're all hooked up, it's as easy as 2 simple steps. Turn your dial to run and pull the handle. Now that we can charge all of our devices, everyone's happy.
So we've had a great afternoon so far, but with the afternoon heat, kids running around, now it's time to turn the air conditioner on. With the added wattage that we're going to need, now we're able to tether 2 of our A-Power generators together to provide the camper with enough power to run everything. So it's as easy as those 2 steps. Plug red into red and black into black. Now we're just going to repeat the steps on both of them. Turn your switch to start and pull your cord. Switch them both to run and you're ready to go. Now you've got the combined power of 2 inverter generators that can now power the unit of your AC, microwave, and your plugs.
With both our generators connected, I feel comfortable in turning on my crock pot when needed. This unit came with all the tools and adapters needed to successfully power our 38-foot travel trailer. With Eco Throttle, the engine will vary in speed depending on electrical demand, which significantly reduces noise. Ultra-quiet gasoline-powered inverter provides 2,000 watts of starting power and 1,600 watts of running power, powered by A-Ipower 79cc engine. It's ultra-lightweight, only 46 pounds. Clean power with inverter technology for sensitive electronics like computers, TVs, and other power-sensitive equipment. With our inverter generators, we are all happy campers! The A-Ipower SUA 2000i inverter generator.